Hi everyone, it's Lynnea here for LDRS Creative, and I don't know about you, but birthday cards are something that I always feel like I need. I can make a whole bunch of them and somehow I never have enough in my stash. Today I'm going to make a special happy birthday card using some products from the latest Summer 2022 collection. I'm going to start with this natural granite 6x6 stamp. This is large enough to cover the background of an A2 card, and I really love stamping this in a black to give an ink spattered look to the background, but I thought that I'd pull out some of my LDRS Creative Hybrid inks today and create a colorful background. So I have my stamp mounted on the lid of my stamping platform, and then I like to line up my cardstock onto the back of that stamp, add some adhesive to the back of the cardstock, and close my platform so that now I have that piece of cardstock adhered to the base of my platform and it's not going to wiggle around, and I know it's lined up perfectly so that it'll stamp onto my cardstock. I inked up going down across the middle of my natural granite stamp diagonally using some dandelion ink, and then I used one of my LDRS Creative blending brushes, and I just kind of inked away the edges of some of that ink to soften those edges because I wanted to create an easy rainbow. Up here in the top left corner of my card, I'm using a pink ink. This is Fandango. I inked it up, and then I used that blending brush to soften those edges, and then I'll stamp that down using my Stampendable tool to get a nice impression. I repeated this process in the bottom right-hand corner with some Tropical Sea, and you can see on my background there, just using 3 colors of inks, I can get a whole rainbow. I stamped and colored some images from the Birthday Bash stamp set, and I used my glitter gel pens for these. So these are nice and vibrantly colored, but they also have some shimmer, and it was easy to do. I used the Birthday Bash coordinating dies, and I cut them out. And because I wanted them to stand out from my background and I needed a place for my sentiment, I cut the largest circle from the Scallop Circle Frames die set. I'm going to just temporarily place my images onto the top of that scallop circle just to kind of figure out where I want my sentiment to go. I'm grabbing a sentiment from the Essential Birthday Sentiments stamps, and I'm going to use my Raven Hybrid ink to stamp that near the bottom of that circle. Now I just have to assemble my card. As I started assembling, I realized that this background, as bright and colorful as it was, it needed something else. I love a pop of black with some color. So I took that Hooray stamp from the Birthday Bash stamp set, and I used my Raven Hybrid ink and just a tiny little acrylic block, and I stamped Hooray all over the background. So now not only do I have color, but I have that little Hooray sentiment peeking out as well. I added foam tape behind that scallop circle and as well behind my Birthday Bash critters, popped them up on my card, and I am finished. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye!